turn leftovers into Freshovers. We're making pizza sandwiches. Big Karen, crank it up. Thanks. Next, we're gonna prepare our pizza slices. Done. Add some pan to your coconut oil. Cheese side down. Body slam. Give them a flip. Make it rain. Do this thing. Off the heat and a little bit of cheese on top, and whoops! Give them a flip to crystallize. Do one of these things. We're gonna save this stuff on the side. We'll use that later. It says. It's pretty good. Let's plate this bad boy. Let's split this bad boy up. What the snap? Some lettuce, some tomato, some chipotle mayonnaise, jalapenos, organic arugula. Do this thing. Done. Taste test.